So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel right now, if you've not done that, make sure you do to click on that subscribe button so you will not miss out on any useful updates and any meaningful information. So click on that subscribe button, like and share. Now let's take a look at it right here. We are currently at this major rejection level on our GBP USD. But when you zoom it out, you can clearly see that GBP USD is very much in an uptrend move. Now, if you take a look at this here, this is our high, and here is our higher low. This is also our higher high. Here is our higher low, right? This is the higher high. Here is our higher low. This is the higher high. The market is currently at this higher low, and within this higher low, market is ranging within this level. So we trade with what market is doing and not what we think market will do. So trade with what market is doing and not what we think market is going to do. So since we are going to trade what market is doing, we can clearly see that market is ranging within this level. So because of that, if we see that market rejected from this resistance, then we saw it drop to this our support. Then push up again to tap our resistance and then rejected back to our support. Market eventually pushed up to our resistance and now it came down close to our support. So we will be expecting market to actually give us a bullish move back to our resistance level. So if in case market drops again, sorry, we will retest the support level, still expect it to go bullish. So for the day, we will be going bullish on GBP USD. So we will be expecting GBP USD to buy. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on it, just have to click on that subscribe button, like, share.